Garmin has officially launched its latest Forerunner smartwatch models, the Forerunner 570 and Forerunner 970, worldwide, following last week's highly anticipated unveiling. These two devices cater to different price segments, offering premium features for fitness enthusiasts and smartwatch lovers alike. Price and availability, a notable difference. Garmin's pricing strategy for these models is quite interesting. The Forerunner 570, the more affordable of the two, hits the market at $549.99. Surprisingly, this makes it 10% more expensive than its predecessor, the Forerunner 965, showcasing its upgraded features. It comes in two size options, 42mm and 47mm, each available in three stylish color finishes. Small blue diamond 42mm variants. Slate gray aluminum with translucent black/black band. Cloud blue aluminum with translucent whitestone/cloud blue band. Raspberry aluminum with translucent bone/mango band. Small blue diamond 47mm variants. Slate gray aluminum with translucent black/black band. Amp yellow aluminum with translucent whitestone/turquoise band. Indigo aluminum with translucent imperial purple/indigo band. Meanwhile, the Forerunner 970 commands a significantly higher price tag at $749.99, a 50% jump from the now-reduced Forerunner 965's price of $499.99. This premium smartwatch, designed for serious athletes and users who demand top-tier performance, is only available in a 47mm size, just like its predecessor. Garmin has released the Forerunner 970 in three elegant finishes. Small orange diamond premium finishes. Carbon gray DLC titanium with black case and black/translucent whitestone band. Titanium with whitestone case and whitestone/translucent amp yellow band. Soft gold titanium with French gray case and French gray/translucent indigo band. Introducing the HRM 600, a companion to the Forerunner series. In addition to these two smartwatches, Garmin has also introduced the HRM 600, a high-performance heart rate monitor tailored for athletes seeking precise tracking. Priced at $169.99, it's available in XSS and MXL sizes. However, at this time, it isn't listed with major third-party retailers like Amazon, so buyers will need to purchase directly from Garmin for now. What makes these new Forerunners special? Garmin has packed the Forerunner 570 and 970 with top-tier features designed to enhance tracking, accuracy, and overall user experience. Here's a sneak peek at what sets them apart. White heavy checkmark advanced GPS and multi-band tracking, improved location accuracy for runners, cyclists, and outdoor adventurers. White heavy checkmark extended battery life, optimized power efficiency to last longer on runs and workouts. White heavy checkmark premium build quality, the 970's titanium frame ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight design. White heavy checkmark health monitoring and performance metrics, ideal for professional athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking for deeper insights. Whether you're a casual runner or a dedicated athlete, Garmin's latest Forerunner lineup promises to elevate your training experience. With enhanced features, stylish finishes, and long-term software support, these smartwatches are set to make waves globally.